Hello Vivekians, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good at home. You all are healthy? Okay, so welcome back in your math class. I'm Sakshi ma'am and our chapter 1 in math we are discussing is addition. So today we are going to start a new topic, adding tens and ones with regrouping. Okay, let's start our day. This is what we have done in our last session, adding tens and ones. So we have done this topic. So now we are starting the next one. Our next topic is adding tens and ones with regrouping. So let's start our today's topic. Yes. So first we are starting with adding tens and ones with regrouping. In the last session, we have discussed about tens and ones in our place value chart. Okay. And I told you, whenever we write, we start with tens. But while we add, we start with ones. So, in this picture, what I have drawn on the screen, I have drawn here tens and ones block also. What it means? Means for number 6, I have drawn 6 ones block. For 7, I have drawn 7 sevens block. For 2 tens, I have drawn 2 tens block. And for 1, I have drawn 1 tens block. Yes. So, let's start with vertical lines. For 6, I have drawn 6 vertical lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now what will I do? I'll count all these lines. When I'll count all these lines, the answer is 13 ones. But in the last session, I told you about one rule, and it was we can only write one digit in one place. One digit in one place. So can I write 13 in 13 block? No, because it's 2 digits number. So now what we are going to do? In the last session, we have discussed 10 ones is equal to 1 10. Yes. So what I have done, I have collected all the ones block and I made a set of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I know, and you also know, these 10 ones block is equal to 110 and leftover 3 blocks are here. So these leftover 3 blocks we will write on ones column, and the separated collected 10 ones block we will make them a set of 10, and that 10 ones is equal to 110. Yes. So here we have one more 110 block. So I have written 3 ones over here, and that 110 is here, which is known as carry. Now I'll count. For 1, I'll draw 1 vertical line. For number 2, I'll draw 2 vertical line. For 1, again 1. I'll count all these 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Or I can see here are how many tens block? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. The next one is 39 plus 25. So again, when I'll add, I'll start from the ones place. So for 9 vertical lines. For 5 vertical lines. I'll count all these vertical lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. But can I write 14 here? No, because our rule was one digit at one place. One digit at one place. So what will I do now with 14? Look, here are how many blocks? 9 blocks. What I have done, I have collected 10 blocks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And how I have done? Look, this 14 ones. I have segregated this 14 ones into 10 ones plus 4 ones. And in previous session we have discussed that 10 ones is equal to 110. So I can collect 10 ones to make it 110. In the same way I am doing here. I am collecting 10 ones block to make 110 block. And left over, how many blocks are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So I have collected 10 blocks here. Leftover 4 blocks are here at ones place, and I'll shift these 10 blocks, or I can say 110 block, in tens column like this. As you can see, I have shifted that 10 ones block in our tens column, and in the same way I have written 4 ones over here, and 1 is our carry, which I'll write under 10. Now I'll count all these numbers at tens place. For 1, 1 vertical line. For 3, 3 vertical line. 1, 2, 3. For 2, 2 vertical lines. 1, 2. I'll count all these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Or you can see how many tens block? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 tens, 4 ones is equal to 64. Now one more question. Yes, but this one is without blocks. Now what is the question now? Our question is, we have to add 56 and 17. So again, while I read, I always start at tens place, so I'll read it 56, 17. But when I add, I'll start from the ones column. Yes. So when I'll start from ones place, for 6, how many lines I have to draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now what will I do? I'll count all these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13. But can I write 13 ones here? It is a 2-digit number? No. Because our rule was we can only write 1 digit over here. So now what we are going to do? We'll break this 13 ones into 10 ones and 3 ones. Yes. And that 10 ones, or I can say 110, will be here as a carry. So 1 carry is here and 3 ones is here. So leftover 3 ones are here and 110 is here. Now I'll start for the tens digit. Yes. For this 110, 1 vertical line. For this 5 tens, 5 vertical lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For this 1 tens, 1 vertical line. Again, I'll count all these vertical lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I will write 7. So 7 tens, 3 ones make 73. That's all for today's session. I hope you have clearly understood the concept of adding tens and ones with regrouping. Yes, so I'm going to provide you an assignment related to this concept, and I hope you are going to do that quickly. If you need any help, you can again watch this video, or you can ask from your parent for their help. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.